Hi, this is the Vivo T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and then drag this up to another one, and by this way you could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to give a name or rename the folder, just tap once on the name and after that enter the new one, for example the apps. If you want to move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. To remove the application from the folder, hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. And also if you want, you could rename and edit home screen just by hold for a while the folder. For example, let's just tap to edit the home screen. Tap on your folder, you could select those applications and for example to create a new folder and just to remove them by this way. But don't worry, you will remove only the shortcuts. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.